Number 1. Number 2. Number 3.
So this is the Travelway digital alarm clock, probably the most simple alarm clock to use in the world. It has very simple controls and it just tells the time and wakes you up in the morning. There's no bells, there's no whistles, it is really that simple. Now the controls on the other side, you can see, are simplistic. We have the alarm on off button, we have the alarm set, the time set, we have a display dimmer and the alarm volume set to high or low. In the battery compartment you can put 2 AAA batteries so that when the time goes out during, for example, a power cut, the time and the alarm settings will be maintained. So let's see how simple it is to actually set the time. All we do is we hold down the time set button and then we press either the hour or the minute button, and then we let go of the time set button. Now if you go over 12 hours, you'll see a PM signal appear here. Of course, if you choose to have 24-hour clock settings, then you just literally press the time set button just once and it will switch to 24-hour mode. The alarm is just as simple. You just hold the alarm button down and press hour and the minute to set the alarm. Now the alarm is not actually active at the moment. You need to press the alarm on off button and you can see a little bell icon appear on the bottom. The previous version of this clock and many other clocks on the market have a single red dot on both corners with the alarm and PM engraved in the casing. We've changed this clock so it's much easier to see whether the alarm is set or whether it's set to PM. There is also a night light on top, so you don't have to double up by getting a lamp. If you want to get up in the night to go to the toilet or you want to read, you can just turn on the night light. It's bright but not intrusive. Now the most elegant feature of this alarm clock is the dimmer switch, or the dimmer slider, which is here, which will allow you to dim the digits down to whatever brightness you wish, which is perfect. For some people it's just too bright even at the low setting on other alarm clocks, but you can dim this right down to anything, or you can even turn it off. Perfect for night use. So that's it. So that's the Travelway digital alarm clock. It really is the most simple alarm clock there is. If you literally just want to tell the time and wake up in the morning, the Travelway alarm clock is definitely the clock for you.